1 second. Okay. Just wait for another minute and then we can start.
जब पानी पीते हो wait.
Okay, you all can see the slides?
Yes. Yes, Mother.
Okay. Okay, so let's start. Okay, everyone? Everyone will say together. Om Ajnanaatimirandhasya. Everybody together, you can unmute and then say. Unmute yourself and then say it, okay? Om Ajnanaatimirandhasya. Mataji, we are starting, okay? Vinay Mataji.
Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah.
Vishnupadaya Krishna Krishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namine Namaste Saraswate Gauravani Pracharine Shunyavari Bhashyata Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Rama
Hare Hare Hare
Very good.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Rama
Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna
Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Okay, done. And we will have chanting session especially for kids, okay?
Hare Krishna
Hari Bol. Okay, because we'll go on chanting then. Then we'll have a whole session for chanting, okay? One day we will meet only for chanting. How about that? We'll meet for chanting one day. And Kirtan also. Very good. We will do one day, okay? One Friday we will do only for... No, Kavish? Chanting, Kirtan. We'll do it one day, okay? One day only for chanting and Kirtan. So everybody will get a slot. Okay, so now today's verse is very interesting and many of you might know this verse. Okay, many of you or many of the other people also outside the world also try to know this verse. So we will try to understand also what this verse is. Okay, so we'll do word after word and then 2 words at a time, then 3 words, then 2 lines, and then we will do this verse. Everybody together? You can unmute yourself. Can you all unmute yourself? You all can unmute, right?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Nainam
Chindati
Shastrani
Shastrani
Nainam Chindanti Shastrani Nainam Chindanti Shastrani Nayanam Dahati Pavakaha नयनं दहति पावकः न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्योऽपि न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्योऽपि न शोचयति मारुतः शोचयति मारुतः Everybody a little bit louder. Did you have your lunch? Did you have your breakfast? Everyone? Smile. Smile. Okay. Everybody together, okay? Nainam chindanti shastrani. Nainam chindanti shastrani. Nainam chindanti shastrani. Nayanam dahati pavakah. Nayanam dahati pavakah. Nayanam chindanti shastrani. Nayanam dahati pavakah. न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्योऽपि न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्योऽपि Okay, when I hear everybody saying it loudly and clearly, remember in your Sanskrit, whenever you are saying your verse, your mouth has to be proper, wide open. You cannot say no, your mouth has to be open, okay? So that each and every word is properly pronounced, okay? Your tongue has to move the proper movement. Let me see everybody on a video so that I can see how your mouth movements are. Karthik, can you please video? Nayanam chindanti sahasrani. Nayanam dahati pavakah. न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्योऽपि न शोचयति मारुतः Yeah, remember when we are saying this verse, your everything, like all the organisms, animals which are there in your house, which are microorganisms, they should be also able to hear your verse. Okay, so see to it that you're saying loud. Somebody who is going on the street should say, oh, I hear some words from somewhere. So it should be loud when you're saying the verse. Okay, everybody together again. Okay, Nayanam chindanti shastrani. Nayanam dahati Nachainam cledayantyopi Sochayati marutaha. Okay, Sai, do you want to read the translation?
No, I'm sitting on two chairs.
Sai, can you read the translation? Sai.
No.
There.
The soul can never be cut into pieces by any weapon, nor can be burned by fire, nor moistened by water, nor withered by the wind.
Very good. I want one more person to. Ridan, can you read the translation?
The soul can never be cut into pieces by any
Weapon.
person. No can be he be burned in
Burnt
and
by fire. Nor moistened
notion
by water.
by water,
Nor withered
not withered
by the wind.
by wind.
What is wither by?
Balavrinda, can you repeat after me? Hare Krishna.
Yes,
Okay, the soul can never be cut into pieces
the soul can be never cut in pieces
by any weapon,
by any weapon,
nor can he be burnt
nor can he be burned
by fire,
by fire,
nor moistened
nor moistened
by water,
by water,
nor withered
nor withered
by wind.
by wind.
Very good. Okay. So now what we will do is we will go back each verse after line. Okay. Now see, when what is important over here when you see is that this verse, if you say it says na, okay, na is never. Everybody, can you repeat after me? Na, never.
Na, never,
Enam, onto the soul.
Into the soul
na, never,
This soul cut into pieces.
can cut into pieces.
into pieces by any
Shastrani,
Sastani,
all weapons.
all weapons,
Na, never.
na, never,
Enam, onto the soul.
enam onto the soul,
Dahati, burns.
dati burn,
Pavaka, fire.
fire,
Na, never.
na, never,
Cha, also.
cha, also,
Enam, onto the soul.
enam onto the soul,
Kledayanti, motions.
lady,
Moistures.
Apaha, water.
water,
Na, never.
na, never,
Sochvati, rise.
so sati, rise,
Marutaha, wind. Okay, so now what we will see is we will see what it is mentioned. See over here, you always say na, na, that it is mentioned. Okay, so Srila Prabhupada tries to explain this verse where is trying to explain what Lord Krishna, Shri Krishna is trying to tell. Okay, so you remember what we have told about the soul, right? That the soul is, we did so many verses. We'll just go back on the, okay, 15th right? Okay, so we'll go back afterwards. So see, the soul can never be cut into pieces, nor it can be cut into by any weapon, nor it can be burnt by fire. It cannot be made wet by water, or it cannot be dried by the wind. Now we'll see exactly what is Lord Krishna trying to tell us over here. Okay. Now, when you know what, when Srila Prabhupada had come to America, you know, once they said like he went to a university, and over there the professors over there were showing him, you know what, see, we have such a big university, we have a department of science, we have a department of history, we have a department of English, and we are doing experiments over here, see how good this is. Then Srila Prabhupada asked them, you know what, you say you have department of science, you have department of physics, you have department of chemistry, but do you have a department where there is a study of the soul? Do you have a department where there is study of soul going on? And then that time, all those scientists and all those people over there, they could not say anything. Because have you seen anywhere in any university or any college that they say that this is department of soul? In your school, anywhere, have you all seen anywhere? No, right? You can unmute, answer, and then again mute if you want, okay?
No.
Yeah, so
no,
then,
no,
Yeah.
No.
No, there is nothing about soul, right? We just go learn whatever normal material things are there and we come back. And that is the reason.
No.
Yeah, that is the reason we are learning about the Bhagavad Gita over here, wherein we can understand what exactly the soul is. And why is it that Lord Krishna in so many verses is telling us soul is like this, soul is like that, you're part and parcel of the Supreme. Like why so many instructions and so many examples Lord Krishna is giving us? We will see exactly what it is, okay? So now when you say, you know what, when somebody leaves his body and goes, okay, when there is just a body over there, you know, when people do not even call that body by its name. They say the body is lying over there. That person, suppose that person's name is somebody XYZ, name of that person is there, and like they will say, like suppose a person was named Govinda and that person is not there, okay, that person has left his body. They will not even say that, oh, that Govinda's body is there. They will say the body is lying over there. So we have to understand that our identity in this body is only because of our soul. Okay, once the soul goes away, then the body is only known as body. It is not even called by its name. And then in any, have you ever seen that in any lab or in any college they say, oh no, you know what, the heart, we say that, okay, if you make a fist like this, your heart is the shape of your fist. But have you ever, anybody here ever seen that, oh, you know what, the soul is this big, the soul is this big? Has anybody told you like that?
No.
And
No.
so have you seen the soul?
No.
Anybody, has you any seen the soul anywhere?
No.
So the soul is, you know what, you know, your tip of the hair, your hair is there, the tip of the hair, in that also 1/1000 part of the tip of the tail is the size of the soul. That
Like
means,
you have hair?
yes, more minute than that, 1000. That means one
What?
small tip of the hair. So then if you cut that hair into that many parts also, you will not be able to see the soul. So that soul is not able to be measured, or the soul is not able to be seen, but still it is the life force behind everything. Now see, there are so many weapons. Don't get scared, okay? So there are so many weapons. Balvinda, don't get scared. So it, that if you will say, oh, you know what, maybe that the soul may be killed by a weapon, but Lord Krishna says, no, 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 no. You cannot have any weapon that can kill the soul. Then a person may say, oh, you know what, if the some person has murdered some person, that means the soul is killed. Do you agree with that? Suppose if a person gets murdered.
No,
You
Mataji.
can answer.
The soul can never
Mataji.
Then what is getting killed?
No.
Then who is getting killed?
No, Mataji.
Then who is getting killed?
The body.
The body.
Very good. The body is getting killed, okay?
The body, Mataji.
That,
The body, Mataji.
Very
body,
good.
Mataji.
Very good. So we should understand that the soul is not going to be killed by any sort of weapon. If a Brahmastra also comes, or if a very big astra also comes, the soul is not going to be killed by that, because it has its own identity, okay? It is not going to be killed by any way. Now we are going to see a detailed understanding about it, okay? What is Krishna explaining? Naina,
Mataji, can the soul be killed by Krishna?
Krishna also says that he is not going to kill the soul, because the soul has its own identity. The soul has its own difference between Krishna and the soul, because we all have come from Krishna only, right? So the body will be killed, but the soul will not be disturbed or not be destructed. See what we said, Nainam Chindanti Shastrani.
Does Krishna have soul?
Krishna is the super soul, remember? He is the Paramatma in our heart. So he is the super soul. And he comes into this world only to, only to have his pastimes along with us, right? Okay, see, so Chindanti is what? When you are cutting. That is Chindanti. Shastrani is what? Weapons. So now we will see what does this mean. See, Krishna explains Nainam Chindanti Shastrani. That means the soul cannot be cut with any weapon. Now, you know what? These all scientists and these atheist people, all atheist people means who do not believe, who do not believe in soul, who do not believe in God. They say everything just came like that only, and they do not believe in Krishna. I don't know how they live in this world, but they do not believe. Then you know what? They are always trying to find a way, some ways and means how they can try to ask questions to us. Then you know what? Once a scientist had asked that, oh, you know what you say that the soul cannot be cut, but I will tell you what happens. He said, you know, earthworm. How many of you have seen an earthworm?
Me.
Earthworm you've seen, right? Now the earthworm, or how many of you, I do not think so you must have seen, but how many of you have
Not
seen
me.
a lizard or an earthworm? You've seen?
Me.
Yes. So
Seen a lizard and earthworm.
lizard and an earthworm, right? So now what is the peculiarity about these insects is that if these are cut into two parts, then too you can see that, you know, the lizard, when its tail is moved out from its body, it still comes on wiggling. The lizard tail will still wiggle. The earthworm, if it is cut into, it will still keep on wiggling. So now this atheist or the scientist say, you know what, you tell me, how does this happen? They say that we think that the soul is getting cut, and in the cut part also there is a soul, and in the main body also there is a soul. Then second, these are the scientists and the atheist. But there are another sort of people who are called as Mayavadi people. You know, Mayavadi people, we have to be very careful with them. So these Mayavadi people, what do they say? You know what? There was one whole soul. From that whole soul, we got one part over here, one part over here, one part, like there is a whole cotton. And when you go on removing pieces of the cotton, it will finish at one point, right? So they say that like that there was one big soul, and from that we have been coming out as soul, and now that whole is all gone. So there is no Krishna, they say. There is no form of Krishna, they say. So we have to explain them. You know what? When such people come, when you go for preaching, when you become big, you will go for preaching, right? Shirisha, what is your name? Such beautiful expressions you're giving. So when you go for preaching, when you meet such people, that time you should try to tell them that, you know what? You should give them an example that when the sun sets down, okay, when the sun is setting, does it become pitch dark immediately?
No.
No, right? There is still, when the sun is set, but still there is brightness, right? It takes couple of hours or 1 hour or something till it gets pitch dark, right? Suppose the sun is setting at 5:30 or 6:30, then till 8 o'clock you can see a little bit light, right? So this is the same. That means though the sun is setting, but it is the twilight period. That means the dawn and dusk, you say, right? The dusk period wherein it is not yet fully dark, but the sun, you know that the sun is there somewhere. It is same way in our body also. Though the soul leaves the body, the life force which is there little, the chetana that is called, is there in the body. And that is the reason for few seconds, for few minutes, the body might show some warmness or some movement, like which example of the earthworm. So you should be able to understand and explain these to such people. Otherwise, if you are not thorough with our philosophy, then you will not be able to preach. Okay. So you should always tell them this word chetana, or the life force, is very, very important. Okay. And it will be there for few minutes when the soul is leaving the body. So this way, Lord Krishna tried to tell Arjuna, that Arjuna was asking that, you know what, Krishna, I'm standing over here, my relatives are over here, and now I'm going to kill them. I'm going to kill he was feeling that I'm going to kill them, right? What was Arjuna feeling? Anybody can tell me? What was Arjuna feeling? You can unmute and answer.
Arjuna was feeling that if I kill all my families and my grandfather and my relatives, then I'll do a big sin in my life. And then for that, I will have to go to hell and to the lower planetary system.
Okay,
The lower planets.
who's answering?
Sivya.
Sivya, wait a minute. Sivya, I could not put you on. Oh, Sivya, you are not on video, right? So I couldn't see
It's
you.
not on video, ma'am.
Yeah. Be on video so that I can put you on spotlight when you are answering. Very good, Sivya. So he was thinking, how should I kill my relatives, right? And what did Krishna tell him? Can anybody tell me? What did Krishna tell Arjuna?
Krishna said, I already killed everybody.
Very good. Krishna said they are already killed. My Sudarshan has already killed them. Now they are just bodies. You are not killing the soul. So don't worry. You are not going to do any sin or any sort of sin over here. And remember, we had seen that Arjuna had already surrendered, right? He said, now Krishna, I do not know what to do. You tell me what I am supposed to do. Now see, there is one more example over here. Okay. Suppose now I get into an accident. Okay. I bump my head. I bump my hand is fractured. My leg is fractured. What happens? Can I say that my soul is injured? Can I say that oh, my soul got all this, my soul? No, right? The soul will, what will happen then? What will happen? Still
Body will get injured now. Oh, because that's the body.
That's the body, right? Hare Krishna Mataji, can we have a speaker view so that whoever is speaking can be on? I'm not understanding where to put the speaker view, because then I cannot see who is speaking, so that they can be on speaker.
Yes, Mataji, you don't put this spotlight, automatically it will become speaker view.
Okay, sure. So then what happens is, see, that means when I get some hurt or when I get some body pain, it is related to only the body, right? Our soul is Satchitananda Swarupa. Okay, remember that always. So what happens is, when suppose a person is badly injured in an accident, you know what, I wanted to put a different photo, but then those accident photos were it was so painful, I could not put up a photo of the real accident photos. So I just put up this photo over here. So when, you know what, in any accident, in anybody's hand or leg is injured or anything, that person still in the hospital or his relatives, they make him walk, right? And after sometimes he also gets that thing, oh yes, I should be walking, I should be moving around, right? So what do you think? Where is this inspiration to live? Where is this inspiration to walk coming from? What do you feel? Ojasvi? Very good, Balavrinda. Yes, Ojasvi, you have any answer?
Mataji, I agree with Balavrinda.
Yes, it is coming from the soul. Okay. So though you are not seeing the soul, but still the soul exists. Okay. And though your body is going to be hurt in some way or the other, the soul is not getting disturbed by it. Always remember, and you know what Srila Prabhupada said, that as we are eating our food and we are nourishing our body, the same way our soul is also hungry. Now, Sham, I want you to answer. Why is the soul hungry and what is the soul hungry for? Can you unmute, Sham?
For food.
The soul is hungry for food?
Yeah.
So can I give chapati and sabzi for the food, for the soul?
No.
Then what? Okay, Subhadra Giridhari, can you?
The soul eats Hare Krishna.
Yeah, the soul needs Hare Krishna. Very good. I love that answer. The soul needs Hare Krishna. Somebody else wants to answer? Who is there?
It needs energy.
The soul energy. Okay. You can raise your hand and ask
Soul
me
needs
to answer.
water.
The soul needs water. Okay.
Krishna consciousness, it needs Krishna consciousness, then it will get full.
Very good. Chaitanya Charan, any answer from you? What do you feel? What does the soul feel? Chaitanya Charan?
Bhagavad Gita.
Soul needs Bhagavad Gita. Okay.
It needs Krishna.
It needs Krishna. Very good. You all are wonderful, wonderful kids.
And it needs God.
It needs God. Sorry, Subhadra, I didn't hear you.
The soul needs service.
Soul needs service. Very good. Very
It needs bhakti.
It needs bhakti. Very nice. Ashutosh, you know anything? What does the soul need? What is the food for soul?
Service.
What is it, Chaitanya Charan?
Gayatri.
Chaitanya Charan and Nandalal, right?
The soul is actually Hari.
Okay, so this is what the soul needs, you know. Just as we are having food and we are eating food for our body, the soul says, give me the holy name. Give me the, like, chant the holy name. And when you chant, the whole soul becomes happy. Okay, that is the food for the soul. When you are saying, Hare, everybody together, Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna Hare
Hare Hare,
Hare
Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Rama.
Okay, by this our soul is going to be happy. Okay, and that will be the food for our soul. So always remember that. If somebody asks you, what are you going to give your soul? Then you can say, I'm giving this Hare Krishna Mahamantra to our soul. And those people, you know what? Those people who are not chanting, or those people who are not giving this soul this food, they are killing the soul. They are not doing a very good thing. That is very wrong. Okay. Now the second thing it is said, Nayanam Dahati Pavakaha. Okay. Now because again, instead of going back to the verses, I have put up the meanings over here only. See, Na means never, and onto the soul, Dahati is burns. That means the fire, right? Pavaka is fire. Again, second thing what Krishna says, that means the soul cannot be burnt into fire, right? Then what did we say first? What was the soul? What could not do with the soul? Nayanam Chandanti Shastrani, right? That means the soul cannot be what?
and cut into pieces.
The soul cannot be cut into pieces. The second thing Lord Krishna is saying, that it cannot be burnt by fire. See, over here, now what are we saying is that suppose there, when after this life, when we go to the afterlife, that is when we go to the when the soul travels back, what happens is, because of whatever good we have done, whatever bad we have done, we are going to get our deeds like that, right? So the Garuda Purana explains this. It is very, very scary. Okay, that is the reason, again, listening to that also, you should be thinking that, oh no, I should not be doing anything bad. Because you know what, the Garuda Purana says in such a detailed thing, that if you are killing someone, then you will be killed, in the hell also. Or if you are troubling someone, if you are taking somebody's property, then you will be killed in some other way, or you'll be tortured in some other way. See, over here you can see they are pulling the soul. They're pulling this. There are thousands of snakes also over here. Then there's a boiling pot. If you are cutting animals, killing animals and eating them, there is a pot over here which is kept with boiling hot oil, and then you're put into that. So this is very, very, very scary, and I don't want to do that. Anybody wants to get saved from it? Everybody wants to get saved from that?
Yes, 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 Mataji.
Yes, please better start chanting, okay? Doing our rounds properly. So,
Yes,
but what happens is, when we go over here also, remember what Lord Krishna says, Dainam Dahati Pavakaha. That means in these conditions also, when there is so much of fire, when there is so much of torture, the soul will not be burnt. The soul is witnessing everything. And it has to remember that time that, oh, I have to take a nice birth and I have to chant now. So in that case also, the soul will not be burnt. Okay. Suppose there is a fire in a house and some family and some person is there inside and he gets burnt. But what is happening over there? Is the soul getting burnt in that case? Akshita, is the soul getting burnt?
No.
It's the body which is getting burnt. Okay? Always remember that. Soul cannot be burnt by any fire. Okay, see, now I don't know what scientists say, that we burn a fire and everything can be burnt away. Everything can be burnt. So what happened was, they found out that in big fire also, wherever there are fire exposures also, it was found that there was some gas leakage. That gas was so harmful for people to breathe also. So what did they, it happened in Mumbai somewhere. So what did they do was they tried to empty out all the containers and they tried to eliminate all that odor from there. And they found over there that inside that heavy chemical, inside that burning chemical, there were alive bacteria living in there. Okay, so this tells you that this soul cannot be burnt by fire. See, the names of the bacteria are also given. You know, the pictures of the fire and everything was very disturbing. I just could not put those pictures over there. So thus we should understand that when a person dies by a burn also, it is not that the soul will be burnt. The soul will be released, but the body will be burnt. Okay.
Is it good bacteria or bad bacteria?
Good bacteria, those bacteria, I do not know exactly what they were, but they were thermophilus bacteria. Some are like negative bacteria. So those bacteria, I will have to just check what was the role of those bacteria in the environment, and then we will get to know. Okay, I'll try to find out and put it in the group. So see,
Okay.
we burnt when we are like, suppose we told, right, when a person leaves the body and we are burning the body, because according to the some cultures, they burn the body. So when you're burning the body, the soul has already gone, but the only body is being burnt. So that we have to also understand that nayanam dahati pavaka. Then third thing what Krishna says is na chainam kledayantyopi. That means this, our soul, it cannot be wet with water also. Okay, you cannot take the soul and put it into water. It is wet. Oh, now my soul is wet. Can you say, if I go outside and I'm in the air, it is raining, can I say, oh, my soul is all soaked up in water? Can I say that?
No, Mataji.
No. My body will be soaked, but my soul will not be soaked. Now in this we have,
And
yeah, go ahead.
Mataji also, even when it's raining, your organs also won't be soaked because it's inside.
Yes, right. So now there was one small story. Okay, we'll not go into the total detail of the story, but there is a story about Sandipani Muni. Okay, who is Sandipani Muni? Who can answer that?
Krishna's guru.
Krishna's
Krishna's
guru.
teacher.
Krishna's guru, right? So Krishna, Balaram, they all were studying in the Sandipani Muni's ashram. Yeah, Sandipani Muni's ashram. So what happened was, after their shiksha was done, after their studying was done, when Lord Krishna asked him that what Guru Dakshina should we give you, Guru? Then what Sandipani Muni said was, you know what, if you want to give me Guru Dakshina, why don't you get my son? Because Sandipani Muni's son, he had drowned in the ocean. Okay, and it had happened that the demon who was there in the ocean, the Shankasur or the Panchajanya, was there in the ocean. He had trapped him. Okay, and he had taken down the Patal. He had You cannot hear me?
We can hear you, Mataji.
We can hear you, Mataji.
Okay, just see if your volume is
Mataji, I can hear you.
okay. Sure, thank you. Okay, so when Shankasura he took the Sandipani Muni's son and he went. So Sandipani Muni said that, you know what, my son was taken and he's dead. So can you bring him back? And that would be your biggest Guru Dakshina for me. And then what did Krishna do was, he went into the deep ocean. And there was a long story how he killed Panchajanya, but he did not find the son of his spiritual master. Okay, see over here, he's asking for Guru Dakshina. And then Krishna and Balaram, they go to the Prabhakshetra. And there they say, order the ocean deity that, can you please return the son of our Guru? And he said, I haven't taken him. He was taken by a demon. And now the demon has trapped him. He's trapped his soul over there. I cannot do anything.
Mataji.
Yes.
I saw this in Mahabharatam.
Yeah, it's a story, right? So then what did Krishna do? He killed the demon Panchajanya. And then he took the Shankha also. Remember what is Krishna's conch shell named as? Anybody?
Panchajanya.
Yes.
Panchajanya.
Yes. Krishna's conch shell which he used in the war. right? Then when he went, there was again a big story that he was married to the queens and how he got them from the queens. They had a battle. So then Krishna went to Yamaraj and he said that Panchajanya had taken the soul of my spiritual master and I want his soul back. Okay, and like that he brought the soul back to his spiritual master. Okay, now remember, this soul of the Muni's son was in the water. So can we say that, oh, it was there in the water, so it got dissolved in the water? Did the soul of the Sandipani Muni's son got dissolved in the water?
No.
No. The soul was brought back by the Lord and handed it over to his spiritual master, okay, or his teacher or his guru. So that we can understand by this that the soul cannot be moistened by water. Okay, this is a best example for Guru Dakshina also. Whenever you have a story for Guru Dakshina, this is the best story for it. Then the next is Nasocheti Marutaha. Okay, that means Marutaha is what? Wind. Socheti is what? Dries. Can I say, oh, I'm going to dry my soul now. My soul has got wet. I'm going to dry. I'm going to have a cloth over here. And can I dry my soul like that? Can I do that? No.
No.
The Lord is again telling us that, see,
No, Mataji.
what the Lord has done all these pastimes and I've explained this also. Because what we'll say, oh, you know what? Krishna is just saying that. Where is the proof? Where do I have a story related to it? And Krishna says, wait a minute. I'm going to tell you what happened in some of the yugas. See, from this picture, what do you understand? Which story is this? Which story? Shakatasura story. Yes. So this is one of the pastimes of the Lord, right? What had happened? That Lord Shri Krishna, you know what? In our Bhakti Sangha at 10 o'clock CST, there are all the pastimes of the Lord, all story time. It is basically a story time. You can nicely sit down with a nice popcorn and you can eat and you can have a nice story time. All the very beautiful stories of the pastimes of the Lord are given. And there are so many of you, I see that they come and chant also at 9 o'clock, right? I see Akshita, I see Balavrinda. I do not know many of who have been chanting. But then you all are coming for chanting also. So you are doing a best thing.
Kartik, Advait.
Kartik, Advait. So you all should join, 10 o'clock CST, you all should join.
I chant too.
Yeah, Mataji, I joined.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, you can, you know what, you can put up in the WhatsApp group also. In the WhatsApp group, if you put that I joined for chanting, then everybody will be so inspired. They'll say, oh, Kartik joined, Akshita joined, I should also join. Balavrinda joined, Radhika joined, I should also join. Okay? So you can put up over there. Very good. So, you know what, the Shaktasura's story, he was a ghost, right? He entered into the cart and then he was trying to crush the Lord. When the Lord, one Balakrishna was lying down under the cart. I'm not going to the detail of the story because Radhika Mataji has very nicely explained the story. Okay, I'll put up, I'll again send the recording in the class also, in the group also. So what happened, the Lord did? He just touched his foot and all the cart came down and the demon was released, right? That was the pastime of the Lord when he killed this big demon. Now, how did this demon come into existence? Where did he come from? So there is a big story also over here, okay? This, who knows what is the name of the demon?
Bakasura.
Huh?
Bakasura.
What was his past life? Yes, very good. What was his past life was? He was the son of the famous demon Hiranyaksha. Everybody remembers Hiranyaksha?
Yes.
Yes, so Hiranyaksha, and his son's name was Utkacha, okay? And what he did was, he was troubling one of the rishis, because all the demons, they had only that much work. They used to go because they were huge, big, and like very big demons, right? So they used to go and they used to, just for fun, just to go and trouble all the rishis. Okay? So this Rishi Lomasa, he was troubled by this. So when he was troubled, he said, oh, see, I have such a huge body. I can do anything. He used to go and just crush down all the trees, fruits over there. So then that time, this Rishi Munis, they had a lot of tolerance. But after some point, they could not. They said, you know what? I give you when he cursed him, he said that you are so very proud of your body. I am giving you a curse that you become bodiless. Remember now, all you people who are having your this background over here, sometimes I cannot see you. You become all like y'all are totally disappeared in that background. Sometimes whoever is having this background, you just get disappeared in that background. So like that, his body got disappeared. And he was just moving with the soul into that bodiless form. And he begged, he said, oh, please, Rishi, please do something for me. Please give me some way of liberation. And then what did Rishi Lomasa do? He says, okay, you know what? When the Dwapara Yuga comes, you will be liberated by the Lord himself. Okay. So all of these rishis, whatever they gave a boon, a curse which they gave, they already had a boon with them. Remember, the Lord coming and releasing him was such a big boon for him. So he remained in this air body. So now, after that air body, what happened? He came into, where it went? See, he came into the cart body, right? He came into this cart. That means he took a form. Why did his soul not get killed? Because it was in the air. It could get dried. There was so much of wind, right? His soul could have dried in the wind. Did it get dried, Samskriti?
No.
No. Why? Because Lord Krishna tells us, right? This is the characteristic of the soul, that the soul is not going to be dried in any condition. No matter if it is a soulless body also, it is not going to get dried.
Mataji,
Yes?
in the story, didn't the cart fall on the demon?
The demon took the form of the cart. Okay, so the demon took the form of the cart. That was his like Shakata is called as the cart in Sanskrit, and Asura is the Asura. Okay, that is the name he got. That is the reason he got
Okay.
this name.
No, because you said he was a ghost. So
Yes, he was a ghost. So he took a form that the ghost goes anywhere. Like you see in movies also, a white body
yeah,
comes.
but ghosts, like, they don't have any body. So if the cart it falls on them, the cart just goes to them, right?
Yeah, because he took the form of the cart, and the cart was pushed by by Balakrishna. So what happened? Then when he came, when the cart broke, he came out of it and he got released. Okay, got it, Advait?
Yes, Mataji. Thank you.
So thus we should remember that if it was bodiless also, Lord Krishna said, right, if it is that this soul is not going to be dried by the air. See, he remained nearly, 15,000 crore life he stayed in this bodiless form till the next yuga came. And then he took the form of the cart and then got released. Now by this, what we have to remember is, why is the Lord telling me so many instructions? Remember, the Lord is telling Arjuna all these instructions. Yes, because he is telling us all these instructions, okay? So that we all human beings can go to bhakti. We can get knowledge of what the Lord is trying to tell us. And we can do our devotion with whole faith in the Lord. Nobody wants to go into hell and be suffering over there, right? Everybody wants to go back to Godhead? Balavrinda, everybody wants to go back to Godhead?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Very good.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, very good.
Yes,
So now-
Mataji.
Mataji,
Yes, Mataji.
for Krishna so we can go to Godhead.
Yes. Now, see, this all things we talked about the soul, right? And where have we come from? Anybody has an idea? Where have we come from?
From the spiritual world.
From
Vrindavan.
Yeah, from the spiritual world. And you know what we say? That we are like Krishna. But are we Krishna?
No.
I'm not God, right? Krishna is the supreme. So we should always remember over here, we are the part and parcel of Krishna. What are we?
We are the part and parcel of Krishna.
Yes.
We are
Now
part
this
and
is
parcel.
very
We are the
important.
part
When we
and
say
parcel of
we are
Krishna.
part and parcel of Krishna. You know what? Krishna is beautiful. Then all of you are so beautiful. Then Krishna is clever. All of you are so clever. Then Krishna is happy. You all are always happy. Then what else? What else characteristic you have? Krishna is having so many good qualities. You also have those good qualities. Then what is the difference between me and Krishna? Can somebody tell me?
Krishna never die. We die. Because our
Okay.
part. Krishna is the spiritual body and we are material.
Okay.
We make mistakes and fix them.
Cows and we don't have cows. Krishna.
Okay.
We cannot kill demons. And Krishna has only.
Okay.
Krishna's God and we're humans. Krishna is the supreme personality
Very
of
good.
God and
You
everything
are so
anything, so we don't have those qualities. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Okay, one at a time. One at a time.
Mataji.
Subhadra, you were saying something? Subhadra, you were saying something? Yes,
Mataji.
Subhadra. 1 second. I'll just asking Subhadra and I'll come back. Krishna is?
Wait, Subhadra is done.
Yes, Subhadra.
Krishna is a spiritual guy. We're not spiritual guys.
Very good.
Mataji, Kartik wants to say. Kartik.
Okay, Balavrinda and then Kartik. Yes, Balavrinda.
Mataji, Krishna will come to.
Okay, one at a time. Okay, I will tell the name of the child. I'll tell the name of the child and they can answer. Balavrinda and then Kartik. Yes, Balavrinda.
Mataji, I am Matuvai. Krishna will come to.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, I'll just have everybody give a turn. Okay, I'll ask everyone. So now it is Balavrinda and then Kartik. Balavrinda, can you unmute and answer?
Yes, Mataji.
Krishna.
Krishna is the part and soul.
Krishna knows past.
Krishna knows past life, and I only know about me.
Yes, I do not even know what I'm going to. You know what? For me,
Mataji.
Balavrinda, for me, I do not even know what I'm going to cook in the evening. Kartik, can you answer?
Krishna has more of the qualities of the same things we have,
Very,
but we have less than him.
very good. Subhadra, can you answer? Subhadra and Giridhari?
Krishna knows our future.
Yes, Krishna knows our past, our future.
Can I go? Mataji can actually. Krishna come to us, but I can go to Krishna.
Okay, very nice. Akshita, can you go?
There's a difference in quantity.
Yes, very good. There is a difference in quantity. Advait, can you be on video? Who was it? Who said Advait, the small voice which I heard?
I didn't say anything, Mataji.
Okay, there was another small voice who said Advait is speaking before somebody was speaking. Yes, can you unmute? Yeah, you can say Lakshmi Chi. You want to say something?
Yes, my name is Advait too.
Oh, very good. So we will say we will call you Advait too.
Krishna will come to us, but Krishna can't come to. But we can't come to Krishna.
Yes, very good.
He controls himself.
Yes, okay. So very nice. You all are so awesome. You know so many more things than me.
Can I go?
Who is it?
Me?
Yeah, go. Me? Who is me? I don't know who is me.
Krisha?
Okay, Keshav, go.
That Krishna is God and we're person.
Yes, very good, very good. So, you know what? So, this is all the things which are different between Krishna and us, right? But, you know what? Haribol? Everybody done? Everybody got a chance?
Daddy,
Yeah, Garima, go ahead.
I didn't get it.
Yeah, go ahead, Garima.
Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead, and we are not we're the souls, and we're the part and parcel of Krishna.
Very good, right? So, if Krishna, so, you know, we will just give a number.
Krishna is a super soul.
And we are the
My name is Anmataji.
and very good, very nice. So nice to see you also. Very good. See, when you are on video, it makes me so happy to see you all. So see, what is it that Krishna, suppose, I'll just give a number, okay? Just XYZ number. It is not that number. Krishna is so very opulent. He's so very wealthy. So if Krishna has, suppose, 100 points, okay? I just have 1 point. If Krishna has 50 points, I just have 1 point. That is the quantity. That means Krishna has in abundance, those qualities. If I say, oh, I am so beautiful, but Krishna is more beautiful than everybody. If I say, I have so much of wealth, Krishna has so much of wealth than me, right? So that is what is main difference also between me and Krishna. But Krishna is so merciful that we have the part and parcels of Krishna. Whatever qualities Krishna has, we also have that. Okay, so we should remember to nurture, to grow those good qualities in our life. Okay, so what do people say? Oh, I have the quality. Haribol. So what you know? What some people are... Hare Krishna. I'm okay. So what what some people say that, oh, I have the qualities of Krishna. Yes, I'm echoing, huh?
Yes, you are.
Okay, I'm going to just mute for some time. Yeah. Okay. So now what happens is, that means, see, we are trying to find treasure. So what we do? Oh, you know what? I have all the qualities like Krishna. Now I can be on my own, we feel. But you always remember, if we are away from Krishna, we will never be happy. We will be only happy when we are with Krishna. Okay. Now, when we are doing this, some of them, you say, you know what? Oh, that we are going to be, see over here. I'm going to have this. Okay. See what we said, that we are part and parcels of Krishna. Now, some of them say that, you know what, after that, we are going to go and merge into Krishna. This is what the Mayavadi says, that when we die, we are going to merge into Krishna. We are going to merge into the Supreme. They do not even say Krishna. We are going to merge into him. But what does Krishna say? That is not true. You are a specific individual. What did Krishna say? You know what? I'm going to put up that verse over here. See what we did last time. Remember? No, not over here. Not this one. Second. Remember? Okay. Not this one. So sorry. This is not. Okay. We'll go over it again. So what did Krishna say over here is that, do not worry. You all are separate entities. Everybody has separate qualities. Everybody is going to be different. And for that, Srila Prabhupada explains us over here. See, when you see, what do you see over here?
Owl.
Did you see owl? The very
Owl.
right? So, and the owl, where is it sitting? Can you tell me?
On a tree.
Right, in a bark of a tree it is sitting. Then over here, if you see, what do you see over here?
It's a tree.
Bird on a tree.
See, what do you see over here? You just feel that it is a log of wood, right? But if you see this picture carefully,
It looks like there is a parrot.
yes, but this is a bird which is there. And look at this tree. How many nice leaves are there, right? You all agree?
Yes. Yes.
They are not
Some are birds.
They are parrots over there.
Parrots.
Yeah, they are parrots. So see, that means, does it happen that this parrot, which is green in color, will go and sit on a tree which is green in color, and it will become the tree? Will it become the tree?
No,
No.
Mataji.
No.
The parrots all look like
It's camouflage.
It's camouflage.
Yes, it's camouflage, right? That means this parrot, no doubt, if it is sitting on a green tree, it will still remain a parrot. If this owl is sitting in a bark of a tree, it will still remain an owl. Okay. If this bird is sitting on this branch and it is same as the color of this tree.
Mataji, can you see the bird one? Yeah.
Mataji, the parrots look like Shukadev Goswami.
Yes, right. So that is what Krishna is trying to tell us, that no doubt if you are part and parcels of the Lord, but then too you have your own identity. See, the bird does not lose its identity when it is going and sitting on the tree. Just like that, what we can do is, when we say that what this Mayavadi people or these other people says that, oh, you know what, when we die, our soul is going to go and merge into the Brahman effulgence. But what am I going to do over there? When I go into the Brahman effulgence, there is just bright light. I will not be able to do anything over there. There are no friends over there. There is no one to talk. There is no service over there. That means that soul will again come back over here and again will have to do the service, right? So best is we have to be in the service of the Lord and go back to Godhead. Okay? And that is what the Lord is trying to tell us, that don't go over here. Don't go into the virgins. Try to go into the center point over here, which is Krishna, and try to be along with Krishna over there. Okay. Now is the part for our craft or art.
Crowbar.
We drew this in Bhakti Sangam.
Yes, you drew that, and we are that. What are we going to do? You see this parrots on a tree. You remember why are we doing this craft? What do you feel? Why are we doing this craft? Can somebody tell me? Why are we doing this craft in every class?
To remember all the things that we
Yeah, to remember the verse. Remember we did the soul and the super soul? When we did that verse, we did soul and the super soul with the handprint. So now over here,
Mataji, each craft represents a verse.
verse. Very good. Very good. And you know what? One day we are going to have all the verses and all the crafts which you have done. And then we will have a quiz on that. Okay. So see what the basic idea over here is today, that we are separate entities.
Mataji, we cannot draw.
We will draw. Don't worry. See, very easy one we are going to draw. Everybody has a pencil. No, don't worry. See, you have a pencil and a notebook.
Not yet, Mataji.
Okay, you can get it and then we can start drawing. Okay. Do not worry if it is not very perfect also. You can draw either this tree or you can draw this tree. And what we are going to do, instead of different color birds, we are all going to give them green color. If the leaves are green, then the birds will be green in color. Okay. So we will start. Everybody can have your drawing notebooks, your pencil. First, you can do it with pencil and then you can paint it. If you want to directly do it with paint, you can do it at that way also. Okay. Ashutosh, where is the brush and the paint? Where is the brush and the paint? You have only one brush? Where is it? Paint also. Oh, over there, over there. Brown, did you not get brown? Okay. So, okay, one picture I will do is I'll be drawing. This picture is kept over here. If you have any other drawing of a tree, also that is okay. You know what? I will show you an easy tree. If you feel this tree is hard, I'm going to show you an easy tree. Okay?
Mataji, can you show your full screen?
Okay, I will just pause this stop screen over here and then I will come up as, yeah, you can see me?
Yeah.
Okay. So see, what we will do is we will do a simple tree also, okay? We will do both the trees if you want. Those who want to do that tree, I will again put the slides, okay? Just make branches.
Mataji, how do you make a tree again?
Yeah, see, I'm showing you a simple tree over here. And after this tree is done, I will again go back to the slides, okay? Yes.
Are we supposed to draw this?
Yeah, you can draw this tree. Okay. And if somebody wants, I'm going to again share that tree also. Okay. 1 second. I'll again share that tree also. If somebody wants to draw this tree, Okay, I will show you the another tree, this tree also. Okay.
Mataji, can you show the other tree that is next to it?
That next to it. Okay, 1 second. Let me do it. Okay, see over here what we can do is, you can see me.
No, Mataji. I can only see the screen.
Okay, can you all, Mataji, can you all see me?
Okay, now
Yes,
I can see you.
Okay, so see, now what you can do is, like this, just draw V. When you're drawing a tree, remember everywhere you're just drawing V structures and simple structures, see? Then I put a branch like this. Whenever you're branching, you will be having V structures, okay? Then, over here,
Can you show me your full paper?
my full paper, okay. Okay, then I will have to stop sharing over here and then come back over here. Okay, see? Everywhere you can draw. See, like this. You're just taking a branch. Okay. And then in the branch, I'll again go back to the video, okay? Or again go back to the slide. So that if anybody wants to see from there. So see? And then you can use your eraser to just erase when you're making a branch somewhere. Again, that branch will be branching out into small more branches. Everywhere you draw V, then the branches will be branching out. Okay? And then what you can do is, you can see how many branches you want to do. Okay?
Wait, ma'am. Don't put
And
Can you wait?
you know how to draw a leaf, right? I'm going to show you how to draw a leaf also. See?
Huh?
You can do a small line and then wavy like this. See? You can see this leaf. A tiny leaf can be drawn like this.
I can't see the branch.
See, now you can see. I will put up this slide also, okay? Now can you see?
Yeah.
So you can draw leaves all over these branches also. And then you can, if you want directly, you can do it with the green color.
Reggie, can you share the slides?
Yes. Okay. Okay. See. Any tree you can draw. We'll have all the trees also drawn. And then we will have the leaves. So what I'm going to do is, now I am directly going to do the paint.
Okay, can you wait, Mataji?
Yes. We'll be there waiting. Don't worry.
Mataji, after we done, do we have to send the picture to
In the group you can send, okay? So, but what are we going to do? Remember that we have to draw birds over here. Now, over here in this slide, there is only one bird. What you can do is, we can draw bird. How we can draw bird? You remember? You want to, everybody wants, if you want this slide to draw a bird, remember what we did when we drew a bird? Like this we did. Then around. See? Can you see the bird over here?
Yes.
Over here. See, just like a slanting line, make a curve to it, then make a round tummy, feather, and make a beak and a bird.
Show the slide again.
Yes. Okay, if you want the bird or if you want that main picture, you can let me know. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, I am drawing birds. So first I'm going to take the brown color and I'm going to do the brown color on my tree. And you know, if you want to remember exactly what we have done, you can write the verse also below this drawing. Because whatever Srila Prabhupada has explained, according to that, we are doing the craft over here. Okay, so remember that the soul will be always separated from, it will not be merging into the Lord. It will have its separate identity. What did you understand? Can somebody tell me when you're drawing? If anybody wants to tell me when we are talking. Yes, see, I'm drawing. I'm putting up the branches now. Yes, Ashita?
Go back to the slide.
Bird? For the bird?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, my bird. Okay. We have some more.
And over the weekend, everybody make the cradle, okay, for Lord Krishna, so that Lord will be so in your house. Popsicle stick, yeah, Mataji showed with a popsicle stick. You can also make it with those tissue rolls which are there. Once I had made one with tissue rolls. I had made, I think so. I don't know.
Mataji, is there anything that we can like? Is there another way we can make the thing without popsicle sticks?
Yeah, there is one with you know what? Let me send you on the group. In the other group had also made it. They had made it with tissue rolls or some pipes, I guess. I don't know. I will just show it. Okay, I will just Vinita Mataji. Mataji might know it. I'll ask her. Okay. Is this Keshav?
Mataji, can I go to the tree picture?
Yeah. Okay. So then, now I'm going to paint my bird. Okay. If you have a thin paint, thin brush, the paint will look nice. Those who are very good in drawing also, what we can do is after this also with a marker also we can make the bird. With the marker you can have the outlines of the bird also. Make many birds as you can.
Mataji, after we do it with a marker, can we paint it?
Yes, yes. So that that marker can be seen, right? So that you know that's a bird. Otherwise it will, see, my one bird looks like a bird, but the other bird does not look like a bird. But we can do it slowly. And one only, I think one or two of them did about the spiritual masters. You remember last time I told you, if you do not have photos also, no worry. You can just write the names of the spiritual masters, Srila Prabhupada, and then you can have all the Maharajas' names. So that will be a very nice thing. Like suppose if any Maharaj comes at your place in any of your temples, you can show it to them what you did. See how I'm making the leaves? Like that, the leaves and the parrot also over there. So it looks as if it is just the leaf. The parrot is not seen.
Mataji?
Yes?
This is what I have ever done so far.
One second. Let me spotlight you. Very good. Very good. Very good. Then you can draw a little bit more bigger branches also so that the leaves can be big. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Who else is doing? Radhika Rasika, can you show me what you're doing? Where are you, Radhika Rasika? Where did you go? Yeah, very good, Radhika Rasika. Very good. Very good. Whatever color leaf you are doing, you can do that. Okay. Do that color the bird also. Okay. I'm very good.
Mataji,
Show me.
I want to show.
Very good. Who is it? I'm going to ask everybody show. Don't worry.
Mataji, can you go to the before slide?
I am Advait.
The bird. Okay. Khushi, very nice.
Mataji, yeah, thank you.
Okay. And Devam. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. So see, when you're coloring it, you can color it like this. Okay. Let me see. Let me show you again.
Mataji,
Yes.
can you go to tree slide?
Tree slide. Okay. Yeah. Very good. So see now over here. Can you see this? What I have done? Just one. Also, just look once. See the brown and then the green. I'm making leaves, and there are two parrots also over here. Okay. So like that we can, and if you are not drawing directly, you can take paint. See now I'm just directly doing the leaves with the paint.
Mataji, Advait wants to show Mataji.
Okay, Advait. Okay, the second Advaita, because the one Advait.
Yeah, the little Advait.
Yeah, what is the name, Mataji?
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi. Spotlight. Yeah. Spotlight. Yeah. Show me, where are you? Can you see?
Mataji, he's last.
Okay.
Mataji, Shubhadra also want to show you.
Very good, Advait. And where is Subhadra? Subhadra, very, yeah, Subhadra, show me. Subhadra, very good. Subhadra Giridhari, very good. Good job. Very good, Subhadra Giridhari, very nice. Now, yeah, with crayons also you can do, okay? And the same color of which you are using for the leaf, with that same color make the bird. So then it will be very easy.
Mataji,
Yes, I've stopped sharing that slide over there, so I want to look into.
did it.
Yeah, Garima. Let me see, Garima. Yes, good job,
Yes,
Garima.
Garima.
Yeah, draw a small bird, okay? And the same. Yeah, you've drawn this, right? Very good. And then when you color it with the same color as with the also.
Mataji.
Show me. Sivya, Surabhi. Where is your drawing? Show me.
Show yours.
Okay, yeah, and you do the coloring, okay? You can use crayons also.
Mataji,
Yes.
we have textures. We can make sun.
You can make?
Sun.
Yes, you can make sun also. Very nice. Okay, so now.
You already made it.
Who made it? Okay, so see what is there over here. See, okay? So all the leaves are there. Then there are two parrots. Then again, I can make some leaves over here. So it looks like there are leaves everywhere. Okay, and then the parrots will be hiding in that. You can make 2 parrots, 3 parrots, whatever you wish. Okay, so can you all do it and send it in the group now? When you finish, when you finish it, send it in the group, okay? Because it is.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, it is nearly.
Okay.
6. So we will have to end the call. Yes. Oh, wait, Radhika Rasika, okay? Show me. Okay, very nice. So the leaves you can have a little bit in that color, okay? Very good, Radhika Rasika. The leaves you can have fall color leaves, okay? All multicolored leaves on the branches.
Okay.
Okay, so shall we end, everyone?
Yes.
Vancha kalpa tarubhyascha. Namo namaha.
Can you send the slides?
Yeah, I will send these 2 photos, okay? Hare
Gaudiya
Krishna.
Vaishnava Vrinda ki jai. Shri
Hare Krishna.
Jai.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah, send it in the group, okay?
There's 3 Mayas who is controlling us.
Who is it?
The 3 Mayas are controlling us.
Yes, all the modes of goodness, passion, ignorance, right? Very good.
Haribol Mataji.
Hari bol. Mataji, yes, Mataji. We can.
Haribol Mataji.
Hari bol.
Yes, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare